my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today guys, we're going to be doing some Thanksgiving makeup. So without further ado,
my name's Yumi. I'm 8 years old and I rock the world.
Period. So I got to start off with my eyebrows, like you already know. So what you starting off with, Yumi?
Before I do anything, I need to make sure my hair don't get in the way.
You getting cute. So Yumi, are you ready for Thanksgiving?
I mean, yes, but I'm mostly ready for Christmas.
You don't really care about Thanksgiving?
No.
You don't care about all the good food that we about to eat?
No, it's not about that. It's not about that. Usually on Thanksgiving and Christmas, family come over.
Yeah.
And family can't come over because people are not stay indoors. Now, usually my auntie used to come over every single Christmas or every single Thanksgiving, and now she can't. Even though I have my family and daddy got activities, it's gonna be kind of weird without her. Because all my life, I always saw her. She wanted to have like, hey.
I know, May do be right there on the couch. Okay. Cause I'm not playing. You sitting up here, you know, chit chat and we chit chat.
All my boos need to get occupied.
Okay, you need to talk to your boos.
Yes, I need.
Stick with me. I'll set you free.
Yeah.
Stick with me and I'll set you free. Hey. So Yumi, how does it feel to have all A's? And her grade point average is 4.0.
And they had a conference yesterday. My teacher was like, she's a star.
I told her that was all I wanted and she gave that to me. So I'm so happy.
And not the best thing, but something about me, if I get a question wrong, I get so mad. It gives me like 2 or 3 minutes to pick myself up.
It's okay. I'm hard on myself sometimes too. To be honest, the best people are the ones that's hard on themselves. So it's okay to be hard on yourself. Just don't be so hard on yourself, okay, Yumi?
Let me tell you guys a story, guys. So yesterday, this is a lady, right? And the lady the whole time at first, I was like, can we get the cups? 2 medium, please. Thank you. Okay, we get the cups. Why the lady is like behind us, like she's our guard?
So she was following you guys.
Yeah, and then like at first I was like, she probably just trying to do her job. Then the second time I'm trying to show daddy something over here, she's trying to follow us, like we're about to steal something. I never stole in my life. And she gonna walk in that thing, and then my dad's like, this is enough. We're not gonna steal anything, we're just trying to get a slushie. My dad went off. And then when she came back, she was like, miss, it's rude to stare at people and they're like they're trying to steal something. No, it's rude. Then she gonna stare in the look of shot. We're never going there again.
Oh wow, that was crazy.
Real to crazy.
What is you doing? I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know. I'm just feeling like
Feeling the confidence.
I'm feeling sunset.
I'm feeling the confidence, feeling the luck, feeling the luck.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Y'all. You look perfect. Put some brown, orange, or red or something.
I know.
It's giving me kind of Valentine's Day.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, that's arms today.
Let me walk in the crease up for you. Oh, did you almost fall?
Yeah. I feel like if it's talking trash, my look gonna be a fire.
Your look gonna be a what?
On fire. And that's on what?
Purr.
And it's giving me highlight. It's gonna miss sunshine.
Look at that. Ooh. Just because it's Thanksgiving, it don't always have to be a brand.
Oh, this is too much.
You lit that joint up.
Remember, she was like, Mom, you can get a piece. Get
Cut her one.
She made a pie out of poop. It looked light in real life, but it looked good on the camera. That's all about.
Alright, so now we jumping into the face.
Mom, I've been jumping into the face. I'm already putting on my primer.
You hype? As y'all can see, I'm already moisturized because I did my routine this morning. I'm just laying this joint all over.
My mom got beautiful skin.
Oh, thank you. I love that I only be needing a drop.
I need 10 drops.
No, you don't.
Get it in, I need. And get it in, oh baby. Help you.
Like that natural. I usually use a gold undertone.
I got light and dark on my face.
So are you ready for your birthday?
Oh, I don't know for my birthday. I might bring over a couple of my friends from my school. I do have a one person phone number. Oh God, where kind of planning for my birthday? I want to have a party in Disneyland or here.
So you want to go to Disney World?
Yes.
For your birthday?
Yes. Blend!
But yes, I cannot wait till we are able to eat some good tomato, greens, beans, beans, tomatoes, lamb, ham, hog, mom.
Wait, that's not how you do it. Greens, beans, the greens, beans, the greens, greens, beans, potato, tomato, chicken, turkey, money. Oh my! That's how you do it. I'm jumping into this brush because my mommy using my brush on earth.
I used that brush before.
I mean on baking. Probably never on baking. Look at me.
Let me see.
They don't know it. I look like Spider-Man. Dun-dun-dun. It's Spider-Man. And it's Spider-Man. Dun-dun-dun.
I just cannot with you. This came out really cute. Let me bronze real quick. Just a little to give it a little bronze, baby.
What's like a bronze too?
Oh, this lip
Look at me.
can't be. Oh, check you out, underline eye. Nobody told me that that was going to happen. Nobody's supposed to be here.
Who's breaking up these songs? I don't know. Oh, yeah, baby.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
That sounds just like you.
Okay, so now I'm trying to think, should I do a little blushy blush?
We never jumped into blush. Okay, guys, so I did my lip off camera.
Yeah, so I'm going to jump into this e.l.f. blush.
I also did my highlight on camera. But I wanted to do this one for you guys and just pop it up and show y'all the highlight.
Shake, 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 shake. Cheers. So boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look because I really love my look and I'm loving you, Yumi. I see you with the spotlight, whatever. Giving Thanksgiving.
No, Thanksgiving turkey.
Thanksgiving. I cannot with you. If you are feeling our looks, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave us a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, you already know, number one, you're thorough because you watching me and my daughter and you watched it straight through. Okay? Second of all, you might as well hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell button because you do not want to miss our upcoming videos, period. So with that being said, I love you guys. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.